If you use a hydration bag like the ViaTerra Marine Neo, this video will give you some useful tips and tricks to help you care for and store it in the right way. There are two primary parts to your Marine Neo hydration bag, the backpack itself and the removable hydration reservoir that sits within it to hold water. The backpack requires fairly basic care and maintenance. Use a soft cloth to wipe off dust and dirt that may accumulate on the bag. If required, you can wet the cloth slightly to remove dirt more effectively. You can also use a soft toothbrush to remove dust from zippers, buckles, and other hard to reach areas. Using wax or a silicone lubricant to grease the zippers will also help ensure smoother zipper movement. Make sure to check that all straps and components of the backpack are in good shape. If you notice any damage, you can get in touch with us to understand how ViaTerra's unique repairs program could best help resolve this. The Marine Neo comes with a genuine HydraPack water reservoir and ancillary components. HydraPack is a highly specialized Canadian company that focuses solely on making the best hydration reservoirs, soft bottles, and accessories. HydraPack products are used by the best adventure and outdoor gear brands across the world, and the 2-liter reservoir, hydration tube, and all ancillary components included with the ViaTerra Marine Neo are no different. For instructions on how to clean and care for these components, we recommend watching this video made by HydraPack. When it comes to storage, we always recommend emptying out the hydration reservoir completely after every use. It's a good practice to rinse out and dry the hydration reservoir and tube before putting the bag away. You can store the bag using a hanger while making sure to support it at 3 points, or by simply placing it in a flat storage area. No matter where you store it, make sure it is kept in a cool and ventilated space and without any sharp or heavy objects placed over it. If you have kept your hydration bag in storage for a while, we would always suggest cleaning the reservoir, tube, and bite valves before your next use. Getting your gear prepped and ready a day or two before your ride will ensure that it is able to deliver its best performance when you need it the most.